Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Hubcap Point Outdoors. Don't really know what we're doing today, but currently we are fishing in a creek. And we've already actually caught one fish. Joseph's already over here fishing. But with everything being shut down the way it is, the lakes are closed, the river's closed. There's not really anywhere else to fish but out here at these little creeks like this, unless you've got private land. But we're just gonna hop around for a while today and see what we do. And if anything else happens, we'll get right back with you. Oh God, we got another one. Didn't even know. All right, this time I actually have the lens cap off. Let me zoom out some. There we go, yeah. Yeah, he's a little better than that last one we caught. Yeah. Not by much. What's that on him? Piece of dirt or something?
Yeah, piece of dirt. Alright, well.
Yep.
Got a nice fish here.
He swallowed that one too, didn't he? Look at that bucket. Yep, might as well keep him. He's bleeding. Yeah.
Go further.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, we're going to move across the bridge. We seem to have played that spot out. But we're going to see if we can't get something to happen over here. The current's moving pretty good right here.
Yeah, the current's moving really good right here.
Yeah, we're going to head on down here. Dude, I think this grass line, because it seems like there's a good drop off right there, and it's right there in that sunshine. And the current's not moving too bad right in here. Looks like there's some grasses right there under the edge of the water too.
Yeah.
So there might be a little structure in there for them.
We'll have to shallow it up.
And if we don't do anything, we'll just pick up shop and move somewhere else.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Move on down here. Of course, I think all this stuff in here is pretty shallow. Yeah, I'm almost certain all this over here is just about too shallow to fish. That's what I was looking at when I first got here.
I don't know, dude. I may have to drop the old bobber down a little bit, but I think over there by them rocks may, if not, I'll slip up and down it, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna toss it in there.
Alright guys, we've changed spots again. We actually moved to a completely new location. We're still on Williamson Swamp Creek, but we just went on up a little further. There's a bunch of traffic and stuff that came through where we were at before. So we just decided to move on down to a little bit better spot. So we're going to see what we can do here. Trying to record and not break my neck walking down these rocks, but I'm pretty sure y'all are pointed in all kind of crazy different directions. All right, but we are here. And this does look pretty deep.
Yes, it does. It appears to be very deep. Alright, dude. You ready?
Yeah, waiting on you.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
Mm-hmm. Got him. Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Good fish there. That's a good fish there.
Yep.
Look at big old redbreast.
Yeah, it's getting to be about that time.
There.
Look at that.
Nice, pretty redbreast. Ow.
Get him in the bucket.
Yep.
Yeah, I reckon we're gonna try a worm. I don't think the crickets stay on there for long enough, but we're gonna see what happens. All right, there he is. He must have liked that worm. I'm pretty sure. Oh, you're hung up.
Yeah.
Man, really?
Yeah.
I was gonna say we just got this rig tied back on. Of course, that's another reason why we use those wire hooks too, because a wire hook will straighten itself out and come out. And heavy duty hooks won't do that. He had it.
I got him.
Yeah. Oh, I told you he was little.
Yeah, he's little. Come here, little
We
guy.
put him back, let him grow.
Yeah. Nice little
Yeah.
fish there.
Something's playing with it.
Oh yeah.
Got him. That's bait.
Little guy. Little guy right
I figured
here.
that's what it was, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh. Maybe hung up.
Oh no.
Oh no, it ain't either.
Oh no. There we go.
Another decent one.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Ow. Ow.
Yep. Oh, sorry, dude.
Yep, you're going in the bucket anyway. You're going to be food.
Quit your flapping. Quit your flapping. Quit your flapping. Thank you. I'm trying to help you. Yeah, it is.
Come on up here, Redbreast.
Look at him.
Pretty as can be.
Yep. At least he didn't swallow it too bad.
Right? Well, he's going in the bucket anyways.
Oh, I know, but yeah, look at that.
Pretty as can be.
All right, guys, I say we're doing pretty good so far. We've got what, 3 redbreasts, or at least 2 redbreasts and 2 decent-sized fish, and then the one we hooked in the gut at the other place. Been a pretty productive. Oh, that's a hit right there. Let me turn around and get that. There it goes. Well, like I said, guys, it's been pretty productive. I didn't even get through what I wanted to say, and we've got another fish already. So we're just going to keep on fishing and keep y'all updated.
Decent sized fish. Come on in here, baby.
Mm-hmm.
You're fighting me so hard.
Ain't the biggest thing I've ever seen, but
No. But dang if we sure ain't fun.
yep. There ain't much else we can do right now.
Yep. We're kind of limited, so.
Well, we take advantage of what we can do. Got him. Got another one.
While I was
It's probably that one you just threw in there. Yeah. No, that one you just threw in there was a redbreast. Yeah, we got another one. Another little bitty guy. But that's alright. We out here catching fish.
He's pretty.
Yeah. Look at the spots in him.
Yeah.
There he is. That's another nice one too.
Got him.
Yep.
Come on in here, baby.
Yep. Look at that.
That's a pretty redbreast right there.
Mm-hmm.
He is pretty.
Yep. He smoked that one too.
Yeah, I know. Bam, look how
Ooh,
red.
look how red he is.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Oh, pretty.
Mm-hmm.
He's so pretty.
Alright guys, we have moved yet again. We're really just on the other side of those rocks over there. We were over there just a minute ago. But we're gonna fish this little pool right here. Should hopefully produce a fish or two. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Obviously people fish here because there's the evidence. But I'm gonna put you guys down and I'll pick you back up if something happens.
He ain't that big, but he swallowed it, so.
Yeah.
No, he ain't bleeding.
Yeah, send him back. He'll be alright.
Yeah.
I don't think he got it down past his.
Yeah.
Yeah, got another one. Oh yeah.
That's
Yeah, I got to get up off the bucket.
Nice little fish there. Oh. Yeah. Been nice in the bucket. Just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting that time. Put the lid on the bucket.
Alright guys, this is the next day. We found out last night on the news that they're putting the entire state under a shelter-in-place order. And from what I'm told, fishing is okay as long as you're not in big groups and whatnot, and you're not with anybody that's not from your household. But I've been out here at the creek today for a little while, just trying to catch a few more fish to add to the pot. We're going to cook them tonight. And to be honest with you guys, I've just kind of been out here thinking about what this means for my YouTube channel and how exactly we're going to go from here. We're going to attempt to still make YouTube videos, even though we're technically under a shelter-in-place order. I don't see a reason why there'd be anything wrong with that, especially if we're following along with the CDC guidelines and staying 6 feet apart from people that aren't in your household, etc. But we're gonna see, and we're gonna see how this turns out and how things go. So y'all stick around with us for a little bit. We'll meet you back at the house. We're gonna cook these fish up, and we're at least gonna have some good dinner tonight. So we'll see y'all then. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you show you the fish I caught, if I can catch them. There's one. Let me see if I can get the other one. There's another guy in here about that size, I think. We'll put you right here for the time being. Here we go. 2 more fish to the pot. Alright guys, we're back at the kitchen. We're getting ready to cook. We've got some hush puppies right here. We've got the fish right here. Let me get out of the light. And I always cut the fins out of mine. I just like them better like that. But we're getting ready to cook. Here's our batter. We've got an egg wash getting up. We're going to have fried tater tots, fried fish, and fried hush puppies. And I will get back to you guys as soon as this grease gets hot enough to fry. Alright guys, we're about to start to fish, and what we're going to do is we're going to go fish, batter, egg wash, batter, hot grease. So I'm going to let her start this so that you can see. Alright, now when you put this fish into the batter, you want to make sure you get plenty of cornmeal on it before you put it in the egg wash. That way when you put it in the egg wash, everything soaks into it real nice. And when you put it back into the cornmeal, you get a nice crispy layer on the outside of your fish. And if you're like me and you like to take the fins out of it, you should probably pack some cornmeal down into those spots too. And then from the batter, it goes into the grease. Okay, now for batter, we're just using plain cornmeal and Tony Chachere's seasonings just to give it a little bit of flavor. Alright guys, we got the hush puppies going in. And when we get done with that, it's going to be time to eat. Alright guys, everything's starting to get done. We've got a nice mess of fish here, some shrimp, some tater tots, and these hush puppies are about to get done. So we're about to get ready and eat, and I guess I'm going to go ahead and sign off, and we'll talk to you guys later, and we'll see you in the next video.